Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing us how I made this beautiful midi. It has got this border at the top and it's got the white in the middle, and then it's got the border again at the bottom. Now I don't want the skirt to have all this white in the middle, and I want it to be a midi skirt. So what I'm going to do is I would chop off some parts of the middle. So I'm using 3 yards of this fabric, and then for the length I am using 33 inches. By the time I add 2 inches waistband, it's going to be 35 inches, which is the length I'm going for this skirt. So this is going to be a very easy tutorial to do. I mean, in like under 10 minutes, depending on how quick you are and how fast your machine is, you should be able to get this done. So first things first, I want this to be the top of the fabric. All I need to do is take this to my sewing machine. I would follow the lines on here, and then I will do a gathering stitch until I get my waist measurement. So the waist measurement I'm going to be using to make the skirt, my waist measurement is 36 inches and I'm using a 35-inch length. So the actual fabric is 33 inches, the waistband is going to be 2 inches, so that will make it 35 inches and a 36-inch skirt. So I'm going to start gathering the waist until I get my 36 inches on the waist. And for the waistband, I'm going to cut this similar print. I've got some leftover of the fabric here, so I'm going to cut the similar print like from this side to use it to do the waistband. I will be putting like interface on, and I'll show you what that looks like before I actually start sewing it. Okay guys, so what I've done now is I have done the waistband, I've ironed it, I've put the interface inside just so it has a bit of strength, because it's going to be a flat waistband. The other thing I thought about was, because I've got this remaining 3 yards of fabric and it's not like I'm going to be using it for anything, I decided that I would join these two pieces, the one I already showed and the leftover. I will join both of them together. They're about the same length almost, but then when I pull it, it is actually the same length. I think because of how this fabric is, it's actually more than 60 inches. So if I pull it together and then I will join them, and this is going to be giving me 6 yards. I've also cut out some strips of fabric. So 4 panels, I'm going to be adding pockets to the skirts because I was thinking I'll just make it and just gather it and just put the waistband. Well, that sounded a bit boring to my ears, so I just thought I would cut some pockets. It doesn't have to be too big, just something that I can put my hands in the pockets. And in my previous videos, I've showed how I cut the fabrics and how I attach the pockets, so I'll not be showing that in this video. So I'll get everything made and then show you what the final skirt looks like. So what I've done is I have taken this to my machine. I have gathered the top of the skirt. So right now it's looking something like this. Like, I love the color of this fabric. It's beautiful. The blue, the pink and the green mixture just makes it really absolutely gorgeous. And that's what the bottom looks like. Two options: you can either leave it like this because this fabric doesn't fray, or you can just hem it maybe once or twice just so it has like a nice finished look. I'm not sure which one I'm going to do yet. So I think I'll just hem it once because it's not fabric that frays. So the next thing I've done is I have fixed in the pocket. So when I wear it, it's going to be something like this. So it's quite nice and like you'll not even know there's a pocket there. So I'm going to add the waistband. I would sew the waistband on so it looks something like this all the way around. I'll show you what that looks like. I'll also put a zipper on and then I would hem the skirt. This is a really beginner friendly easy project to do, so I'll get that done now and then show you what I have done. So the skirt is finally done. So that's like the fabric is beautiful. So that's how it looks like. This is 6 yards of fabric, nicely gathered. I hemmed the bottom of the skirts and then it's got pockets on the side. Anyway, on just so you can see what it looks like. So that's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching up until this point. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so when I post any upcoming videos you get notified. If you've got any questions, any comments, leave that in the comment section down below and I'll do well to check it out and answer it. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.